All right, let's go. Boss up, baby. The moment you guys been waiting for. Man, a lot of guys and girls who watch me on this channel over the past year or two always want to know, the best way to contact these companies, the best way to cold call, to actually get these contracts. A lot of people put in the application online, stop there. Some people go to extra mile, email, call, but never get a good feedback or good response, or don't know who to talk to. So I'm actually going to do a live call, a live, cold call to a company. This is actually the company I got my auto parts contract with last year. I'm no longer doing that one. I'm going to name the name of the company in the video. If you don't catch it, just leave a comment down below. I'll drop the name of that company. They still have routes available in the Atlanta area, and they are a national company, so they do have routes in other places, in other cities. So check them out. Link to that company will be down in the description. I am not a reference. I no longer work for them. Don't mention my name. When you try to apply, it would not help you. I didn't end on bad terms or anything. It just, had other things going on that were more profitable. But you will see how to actually cold call, how to get in contact with the person in charge or somebody that you need to hear from in order to get that contract. So let's go. All right, about to call DCS. See, they got anything for cargo vans, anything like that. This is how you contact these companies after you put your application in online. You call them and you try to get a response. If I get a response. Now, this company is based out of California, but it still should be time for them to be there. It's 11 o'clock my time.
Thank you for calling DCS. This is Bill. How may I help you?
How you doing, Bill? My name is Kevin. I found your website online. See you guys operate in Georgia. I'm a cargo van operator with a 2022 high roof van. I'm looking to see if you guys, or I can speak with somebody who's in charge of hiring drivers.
Please.
All right. All right, so they got past the gatekeeper, got past the first person. Now we need to get to the person that's in charge of actual hiring.
Hi, this is John. I'm currently away from my desk. Go ahead and leave a name, number, and a message, and I'll return your call as soon as possible. Thank you.
How you doing, John? My name is Kevin. I'm based out of Atlanta, Georgia, and I have a 2022 Ford Transit 250 high roof, and I'm looking to get started in doing some routes, dedicated routes or on-demand routes for you guys based out of Georgia. If you can give me a call back, 404-281-5112. My name is Kevin with Flash Fleet ATL, looking to get started with my cargo van with your company, possibly with on-demand or contract work. 404-281-5112. Thank you. Well, didn't actually get a hold of the person, but you kind of see the process. You get past the gatekeeper. You know who the person to ask for, the person that's in charge of hiring drivers, or the person that's in charge of this human resources, period. So you want to get to the decision makers. You want to get them on the phone. That way you have a better success of getting hired on these contracts. And hopefully he gives me a call back and I'll let you know how it go.